Hi, I'm Tasha, your eager teacher of English. Welcome to my channel and thank you for visiting. In the previous video, I gave you sample sentences of how to use little. But this time, we're going to use less in a sentence. There's a quiz. Don't go away. Watch till the end. And you'll check your answers as well. Here you go. Little, as we mentioned earlier, is used for uncountable nouns. Now, less is the comparative of little and is used in comparing two things. Let's have a look. I have less laundry to do this week than last week. I have little laundry to do before I start making PowerPoint slides. So note that little is followed by a noun, but less is followed by a noun and the word than. Let's have a look at more examples. Here you are. With Line app on your smartphone, it takes less time to send messages than it used to be. Okay? It rained less this year than it did at this time last year. My friend Sam sings less than he did when he was in his 30s. I have little interest in what others say about me. I have little patience with students who are lazy to study. That's me. All right, you ready for a quiz? Here you are. 10 seconds. Check your answers. Okay. That's all for this time. If you have any questions, please write them on the comments below and I'll get back to them in the next videos. And if you found the contents useful, please subscribe and share them to the students, especially those doing modular classes. Thank you and bye. See you in the next video.